channel, it's Africa Puna, whatever you want to call me. And today's video is going to be an unboxing a flexible 24 ring light. It's going to be different because I wanted the big box one with the stand, but I had to get this one for the time being because they said at Walmart and it's going to be like 2 to 3 to 4 weeks wait for it to come back to get more of them. It was supposed to be a stand with a ring light and you just put your phone there, and it was supposed to be amazing, but I just got this one for the time being. I just wanted it. It's good for vlogging, live videos, video chat, social media, live streaming, health and beauty. It has 36 LEDs, ultra wide range, 3 brightness levels. I don't know, it's still something I can use to go live on for you now and everything. And make videos for you guys. Now, the lighting can be better for you guys because I don't really like the lighting that I use. I just wanted to upgrade to lighting. A box inside of a box. What do you know? How cool is that? Ooh, I love bubble wrap. Ooh, okay. Wonder where this goes to. Your phone. Okay. Yeah. Sorry if you hear banging. There's banging next door. But, I'm gonna do this like that. I should have got a box. Okay. I'm trying to take the wrapper off and it's hard. Alright, I don't know how I'm going to take this one off. You guys might have to come with me to go get a box to see how bright this is. Come on, let you guys come with me. Because I am going to be so excited to use it and everything because I'm going to be able to like vlog more and like make sit down videos, you know what I mean? Okay, now I put you guys back there. So let me show you. I have to plug it in first. Okay, I'm gonna try. I don't know how you work it. This is so confusing. Like, you go like that. You go like this. You can go like that. Put it anywhere you want, but... Oh gosh. I don't want to drop it. So it's like that. Let me do it more. Let me do this. Oh wow, that is so cool. Wow. That is so amazing. Let me do it. Let me turn this one off. Let me do that. No, it's so dark. We didn't do it like that. But, I don't know. I can try it out. Like, I don't know if I'm going to like it or not, but I have to review it. Maybe I'll like it, but maybe the other one would be so much better. The light stand. The ring light with the stand and everything. But, I don't know. It might be better, but I don't know. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you guys are new, be sure to subscribe and give this a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. And maybe I can do another video while while I test this out and everything. Maybe you guys would like to see that video. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Deuces.